Be honest. Have you ever looked at your income and thought, I make good money, so why don't I feel wealthy? You're not alone. 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, even many earning six figures. The truth is, most people don't fail because they're bad with money. They fail because no one has ever taught them how to turn income into lasting wealth. I'm Stephen Lee, a CPA and certified private wealth advisor, and today I'll show you exactly why most people never build wealth and how you can fix it starting right now. Here's the truth. High income does not equal wealth. I've worked with doctors, consultants, and business owners making over $1 million a year and still feeling broke. And I've met teachers, nurses, bank tellers who quietly became millionaires. The difference? It's not luck, it's behavior and systems. Wealthy people focus on the gap. That's the space between what they earn and what they keep. That gap is the fuel for every investment, every opportunity, and eventually your freedom. The bigger that gap, the faster you build wealth. The smaller it gets, the more trapped you might feel. So why do most people never get ahead? Because they fall into one of or all of these three traps. Trap number one, lifestyle creep. You get a raise and suddenly a nicer car, a bigger apartment, better dinners. Every upgrade feels justified, but you're just traded your raise for higher fixed expenses. The result, more income, more stress. Trap number two, working harder, not smarter. You're busy every day answering emails, going to meetings, checking tasks off, but effort doesn't equal impact. The wealthy focus on the 20% of actions that produce 80% of results. That's called the Pareto principle, and I'll go over that in the next video. You need that same mindset for your money. Stop reacting, start directing. Trap number three, no system for saving or investing. Most people plan to save whatever's left over at the end of the month. And surprise, there's nothing left. Wealth builders flip this script. They automate the investing first and live on what's left. Here's the fix. Stop relying on willpower and build a system that works automatically. Step number one, decide your freedom number. For most people, saving or investing $500 a month or $125 a week is the number that changes everything. Step number two, automate it. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account into an S&P 500 index fund or Roth IRA before the bills hit. Step number three, simplify your decisions. You don't need 20 apps or 50 budget categories. You just need one rule. Pay yourself first, automate it, let compounding interest do the rest of the work. Building wealth isn't about deprivation, it's about direction. Think of your money like employees. If you don't give them a job, they sit idle. But if you assign them a mission, whether it's investing, savings, or giving, they start working for you. Every dollar needs purpose. That's how you move from effort to impact. And when you start doing that, your money grows even when you're not working. That's the magic of compound interest. So let me give you a real story from a client of mine. We'll call her Sarah. Was a consultant making $180,000 a year. She felt like she was doing everything right, but she never had any savings or anything left over. We created one simple rule: invest $500 per month automatically into the S&P 500 index fund. 10 years later, she's contributed $60,000, but that account is worth more than $100,000. So there was $40,000 worth of appreciation during that 10-year period. She didn't have to think about it once. That's the power of systems, not luck, not motivation, just consistent, smart money moves. And if you're a business owner or professional ready to get beyond the basics to actually build wealth intentionally through smarter tax strategy, S-corp planning, and advanced investing, I invite you to apply for my Business Owner Bootcamp. It's a hands-on, step-by-step program where I personally teach you one-on-one on how to keep more of what you earn, reduce taxes legally, and build real financial independence. Apply today. I'll leave a link in the description and comments below. In my next video, we're diving deeper into the simple equation that changes everything. It's called the wealth formula nobody talks about. And in that next video, I'll show you how to use this formula to control your cash flow, design your ideal lifestyle, and start building freedom faster than you think. If this video was helpful and helped you rethink how wealth is built, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's ready to finally get ahead. And remember, wealth isn't built by luck, it's built by consistent, smart money moves. Until next time, bye.